Nature is unpredictable enough to always keep us on edge, and it will never run out of things to surprise us with. Birds choosing dubious places to nest, legless lizards, and giant moths, the world around us always has something up its sleeve. Brightside gathered 20 photos of nature making some questionable decisions for you to enjoy. 1. This bird making its nest in a mop. 2. This is what a reindeer's lips look like. 3. A bird riding a hawk, carrying a mouse. 4. The family cottage is on a golf course, and the foxes catch the lost golf balls. 5. Golden retrievers and other soft-mouthed breeds are known for being able to hold an egg without breaking it. 6. These mushrooms are leaking black slime. 7. My wife and I came across a glass lizard, a type of legless lizard that resembles a snake, on our daily walk. 8. My dog's lips went from pink to black. 9. This is a last-second photo I just took of my cat sneezing. I've been uncontrollably laughing for the past 5 minutes now.